Good morning. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you this afternoon?
We're so good.
Wow, good to hear that. Is everyone is there?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, now class, I have questions for you. What will you do if the teacher is talking her in front? Charming.
Our teacher is looking her in front. We need to listen attentively.
Very good. If the teacher is talking her in front, we need to listen attentively. If you want to answer, what will you do? Jamaica.
If we want to answer, we need to raise our hands, teacher.
Very good. If you want to answer, we need to raise our hand in order for us to avoid a necessary noise. Okay, very good class. So, maasahan ko ba ang mga sinasabi ninyo mga bata?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now class, are you ready for our first activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now, because all of you are ready, I have here pictures. All you have to do is to paste on blackboard. And after you paste on the board, you need to explain what is inside this picture.
Okay.
Understand, class?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher.
This one is for you, Charmaine, and this one is for you, Jamaica. Okay. You did it. Put there. Okay. Oh. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
So I will the one to arrange that. Please sit down. Okay, class. Based on the picture or the activity that you do, what is our record? Do you have an idea what is our lesson this afternoon? Okay, Charmaine.
Thank you, teacher. Our topic this afternoon is all about quadrilaterals.
Okay, very good. Give Charmaine a 5 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our topic this afternoon is all about quadrilaterals. Everybody read.
Quadrilaterals.
Okay, what is quadrilateral class? Okay, Charmaine.
Thank you, teacher. Quadrilateral has a polygon has 4 sides.
Okay, very good, Charmaine. Quadrilateral class is our polygons our polygons with 4 sides. Okay, let's go back to the activity that we do a while ago. So look at the pictures, class. What have you observed to these pictures? Okay, Charmaine.
Teacher.
Stand, please stand. What kind of object is this?
Cell phone.
This one.
Books.
And this one.
The door.
Okay, very good, Charmaine. Is this objects are quadrilaterals?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good, Charmaine. These objects are quadrilaterals. Why? Why do we call these are quadrilaterals? Okay, Charmaine.
Teacher, called quadrilaterals because it has 4 sides.
Very good, because quadrilateral class has 4 sides. Okay, let's count if these objects are quadrilaterals. Okay, Quadrilaterals.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, why? Why these shapes shape are belong to quadrilaterals?
Because that shapes contains four sides.
Very good. So these shapes are quadrilaterals, class. So these are belong to the quadrilaterals. So let's see. Tingnan natin kung ang bawat tawag dito, larawan ay may apat na sides. Okay. So first is square. So let's draw the square. Square. See, class. Is the square has four sides?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so if this square has, so bakit nasabi na ang square ay parte ng quadrilaterals? Itingnan natin, class. Ipusak. Ipusak ko! So class, square has four sides and four right angles. So where can we put the four angles? Okay, Charlie. And you drew? Very good. Let's clap Charmin. So very good, Charmin. So this class is we call the four right angles. So is the square has the same size?
Yes.
Very good. The square has the same size. If we solve this class, it will be equivalent to 360 degrees. So all the sides of this are we put 90, 90, 90, 90. The total is 360 degrees. The next shape, class. This one. What kind of shape is this?
Rectangle.
Okay, rectangle. Is the rectangle has four sides?
Yes.
Okay. The rectangles has four sides and four right angles. Like this, class. If we put this one, and this one, and this one. Okay. The rectangle class has four sides, but not
The
the
same
same measurement. But if we put together, if we put 90, 90, 90, it is equivalent to 360 degrees. But their parallel has not the same. So like this, class, this one. But remember, class, that rectangle is belong to the quadrilaterals because this four sides and four right angles. So next, class. Next shape. So this one. Okay, that's a picture of drawing. This one. What kind of shape is this?
Parallelogram.
The parallelogram. Is the parallelogram, class, has four sides?
Yes.
Yes, very good. The parallelogram has four sides. Because is their sides has the same?
Yeah.
Is the side of the parallelogram is the same?
No.
No. Why? Why, Charlie? Why? one. So, yan o. Nalagyan po siya four sides. What? Opposite? Opposite parallel. This one like this class. More na yan naka-problema, naka-difference. But in total of that is 360. It's belong also to the quadrilaterals. So the last class. So this one, the rhombus class. So ang rhombus, more na po siya o parallelogram but pataas tayo siya. Like this. So, the rhombus class has four sides.
Yes.
Yes, because we have also the right angle and the four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we solve that, equivalent to 360 degrees. So, do you understand class our lesson for this afternoon?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, let's see if you understand. So, I have question for the class. What is quadrilaterals? Okay, chime in.
Quadrilaterals feature a polygon has four sides.
Very good. The polygons has four polygons with four sides. Okay, what are the examples of quadrilaterals? Okay, chime in.
Square, rectangle, trapezoid, and rhombus.
Very good. Those are the quadrilaterals. Those are the examples of quadrilateral. So, now class, because all of you are understand our lesson for this afternoon, so we need to move on to our next activity. Now class, all you have to do is to draw the quadrilaterals example. So, you need to draw the four sides of the any shape. So this is for you, Charmy, and this is for you, Jamaica. Draw example. Are you done, class? Okay. First on the board. Okay, Jamaica, Arita. Okay, very good. So, check natin yung mga buwan. Okay. So, group 1 has parallelogram. Check. Trapezoid. Check. And the group 2 is square and triangle. 5 points. And this one is 5 points. Okay.